pinaka okay for macro photography, especially for insect. If you want to shoot the spider, cockroach, anything that is insect, you might refer to this one. This is the Canon 100mm 2.8, one of the best in Canon macro lens. One of the used is to photograph wedding rings and other macro shots, especially for details. This one is the best, and it might not be the best right now because the newer ones are coming in, but for me, I still prefer the gears what I have. So this is the macro lens, and I shoot this one for insects. So yep, it's very light. It is already has an IS, so image stabilize, and it is weather sealed. Also, when you see there's a ring that is rubber ring, so the water, when you fit this on your camera, water cannot get inside because it has a weather sealed already. And this one doesn't have a zoom ring, so it only have a focus ring, and it doesn't move any elements in this one. And also I installed a UV filter just to protect the front element whenever I shoot macros, because sometimes when you're in the mood, you forgot that there's already an insect in front and you might damage the front element. That's why, yes, this one is for the insects. I shoot this one for the insects, for the small electronics, and if I want to do a macro movie, this will be in the lineup. Just make sure of the distance, the minimum focus distance when you're considering a macro lens. And also the hood is that thick, so pair this with a full frame camera, perfect for macro shots. Yep. So I'll check the samples. So here are the samples for the macro shots that was being used this lens. Okay,